Hey everyone, today we're going to make a delicious and healthy drink that not only tastes amazing but is also packed with health benefits. This drink helps boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. So if you want to learn how to make this drink, stay with me. To make this drink, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Here's the list of what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional for sweetness, 1 cup of milk. Almond milk works great too. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, optional. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper to help absorb the curcumin from turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. First, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients. Add the turmeric, cinnamon, and black pepper to a small cup. If you like a spicier and warmer flavor, you can also add freshly grated ginger. Step 2. Heat the milk. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's move on to the milk. Pour the milk into a small saucepan and heat it over low heat until it's warm. Be careful not to bring it to a boil. We just want it to be warm enough for the flavors to blend together. Step 3. Add the dry ingredients to the milk. Once the milk is warm, it's time to add the dry ingredients. Pour the mixture you prepared earlier into the milk. Stir well to combine everything. This will allow the flavors to blend perfectly. Step 4. Simmer. Let this mixture simmer on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice the wonderful aroma of turmeric and cinnamon filling the air. It's going to smell so good and become a little thicker. Step 5. Serve and decorate. Once the drink is ready, remove it from the heat and pour it into a cup. You can sprinkle a little cinnamon on top for decoration or even add some milk foam. If you want a different flavor, you can also add a bit of vanilla extract. Health benefits of the drink. Now that our drink is ready, let's talk about its health benefits. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce joint and muscle pain. This drink also helps boost your immune system and protect your body from illnesses. Additionally, cinnamon and ginger are great for improving digestion and reducing stress and anxiety. Well, folks, that's how you make a turmeric latte. I hope you enjoy this amazing drink and experience all its health benefits. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our videos. See you in the next one.